Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin the flying display, please note the display layout. Aircraft will mainly arrive from the right side of Grandstand and Umananda Temple in the east.
আজি সকলো বায়ু প্ৰদৰ্শন এই নদীৰ ওপৰতে আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব। বিমানবোৰ আপোনাৰ সোঁফালৰ পৰা অৰ্থাৎ পূব দিশৰ পৰা আহিব আৰু নিজৰ মনোমুগ্ধকৰ কলাবাজি দেখুৱাই প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰি বাওঁফালে অৰ্থাৎ পশ্চিম দিশৰ ফালে গৈ অন্তৰ্ধান হ'ব।
आज का संपूर्ण वायु प्रदर्शन इसी नदी के ऊपर आपके सामने होने जा रहा है। विमान आपके दाहिने अर्थात पूर्व दिशा से आते हुए दिखेंगे और अपनी चित्ताकर्षक कलाबाजियां दिखाने के बाद बाएं ओर यानी पश्चिम दिशा में प्रस्थान करेंगे। Today's flypast showcases the glorious journey of the Indian Air Force from the legendary Harvard of the 1940s to the cutting-edge Rafale of 2025. Each aircraft a testament to the technological evolution and operational excellence, maintained with precision by our dedicated air warriors and flown with pride by our valiant pilots.
Leading the flypast approaching now from the Umananda end, a first formation. Steady, poised and majestic, the proud workhorses of the Indian Air Force, Mi-17 helicopters in the Dwaj formation. Leading the formation is Wing Commander Shwetang Singh Dagur. Joining him are the proud air warriors from the Eastern Hills, JW Dipankar Barua and JW Molay Pritam Sekia. And the formation is proudly trooping the national flag and the Indian Air Force flag.
এই আটক ধুনীয়া যন্ত্ৰবোৰে ভাৰতীয় জাতীয় পতাকাক ওপৰলৈ কঢ়িয়াই লৈ যায়। গুৱাহাটীৰ আকাশত বীৰ আৰু সতৰ্কতাৰ প্ৰতীক।
प्रतिबद्धता की प्रेरणा, मातृभूमि का वरदान हूँ, योद्धाओं का बलिदान मैं देश का अभिमान हूँ। देश की आन, पान और शान को दर्शाते तिरंगे को हवा में लहराते हुए आपकी दाहिनी ओर से ध्वज फॉर्मेशन। And now get yourself for a surprise, slicing across the Brahmaputra skies in the honor of the valor of the Assamese people. Call sign Lachit comes the answer to our enemies, the Tejas, led by Wing Commander Paritosh Bansal.
হাত চাপৰি বজাই সম্ভাষণ জনাওক ভাৰতীয় মাটিতে গঢ় লৈ উঠা ভাৰতীয় বায়ুসেনাৰ
From the right of the grandstand, behold the Mi-17 1V helicopters, call sign Holong in the classic Vic formation, led by Wing Commander Rishi Kant.
Now, emerging from the Umananda end, call sign Rhino, the Apache attack helicopters. In a razor-sharp Vic formation. At the controls, Group Captain Anand Kumar Yadav.
এতিয়া পূব দিগন্তৰ পৰা ওলাই আহিছে লাইট কম্বেট হেলিকপ্টাৰ আৰু আপাচি এটেক হেলিকপ্টাৰ।
Sabale. Sarang Timor follow for a swagatam janais. Ajiyudin to flying or khane borbhal. Today, here as we celebrate the 93rd anniversary of the Indian Air Force, this year's theme, infallible, impervious, and precise, comes alive not just in words, but in motion right here over the majestic Brahmaputra. Guwahati, ami arambho korone etya. All right then, get your cameras up and your hearts racing. And now without further ado, please welcome the brand ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. What a grand entry by the Sarangs slicing through the skies in the mighty arrowhead formation. Now watch closely as the team is changing to wine glass formation, raising a toast to the 93rd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सारंग 1, जिसमें उड़ान भर रहे हैं टीम के कमांडिंग ऑफिसर विंग कमांडर अभिजीत कुमार। उनके ठीक पीछे सारंग 5, उनके पीछे सारंग 4, बाईं ओर सारंग 2 और दाहिनी ओर उड़ान भर रहे हैं सारंग 3। आज सारंग 1 के सह पायलट है स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राहुल। स्वदेशीकरण के माध्यम से आधुनिकीकरण, स्वदेशी रूप से निर्मित प्लेटफॉर्मों के संचालन और आत्मनिर्भरता का समर्थन करने की हमारी खोज का परिणाम है। और अब भारतीय वायुसेना की यह भव्य टीम अपनी अगली आकृति से आत्मनिर्भरता का उल्लेख करते हुए हवा में अंग्रेजी अक्षराई का निर्माण कर आपके सामने से गुजरेगी। And this I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. মই আপোনালোকক অনুৰোধ কৰিছো যে যেতিয়া আমাৰ হেলিকপ্টাৰবোৰ আপোনালোকৰ আগেৰে যায় তেতিয়া আপোনালোকে হাত চাপৰি বজাব। Coming in, Sarangs representing the Atmanirbharta of our nation, the India Formation.
सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी।
Continuing with the introduction, the pilot in command of Sarang 2 is Squadron Leader Sachin Govind. His co-pilot today is Squadron Leader Buddhi Sagar Dumre. The captain of Sarang 3 is Wing Commander Veer with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Aditya. Wing Commander Janpriya is in command of Sarang 4 with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Ankita. And our number 5 is being flown by the deputy leader of the team, Wing Commander Ravish with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Ajit. और अब अपनी नजरें कामाख्या और उत्तर गुवाहाटी के बीच से आते हुए हेलीकॉप्टर पर बनाए रखें। जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर यह टीम डायमंड की आकृति में तब्दील हो जाएगी। आइए सुनते हैं लीडर की कमांड सीधे उनकी कॉकपिट से।
Diamond go.
That was the leader, and here's the reaction. An aerial diamond dedicated to the gateway of the East, Guwahati. And now don't look away even for a second as you are in for a breathtaking surprise, and there goes number 4 pulling up for a stall turn. And now, as the aircraft fly past, don't forget to wave at the pilots and wish them luck. Here they are making a short exit and will be soon back in the arena with more thrill. भारतीय वायुसेना अचूक अपने लक्ष्य में, अभेद्य अपने संकल्प में और सटीक अपने हर अभियान में. And to showcase these qualities, Sarangs are now positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. So hold on to your hats because it is about to get epic. These choppers are about to defy gravity and blast off into the Guwahati skies, symbolizing the motto of the Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. So please look straight ahead as Sarang 1, 2 and 3 run in for the Dolphins Leap. And here they go, like a dolphin in the ocean, Sarangs in Dolphins Leap. And as promised, there goes number 4 joining up with the formation. On this occasion, I would love to take you back into history and tell you something about the origin of this team. On 31st January 2003, for the first time, 2 ALH aircraft under evaluation trials took off and performed in unison. It was on this historical day that Sarang team was conceptualized. Later, ALH evaluation flight was renamed as 151 helicopter unit in December 2003. मुझे यह बताते हुए अत्यंत गर्व हो रहा है कि हमारी टीम वर्तमान में केवल एशिया की ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व की एकमात्र 5 मिलिट्री हेलीकॉप्टर डिस्प्ले टीम है. On this note, set your gaze straight ahead on the Ashwakant temple as the team is rolling in for the crossover break. Both pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking, dramatically tilting towards each other until their rotors are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. Look straight ahead for the crossover break as we await the leader's call.
Crossover break, go!
আপোনালোকৰ হাত চাপৰি মাতা নাই আমাৰ পাইলটৰ কাৰণে অলপ হাত চাপৰি জোৰকে দিব देवियों एवं सज्जनों अब आप सब इन विमानों को और नजदीक से देखने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए Helicopters are turning in, getting closer and way more intense. For the vertical synchro maneuver, we call it the double arrow cross. Both pairs approaching each other will soon cross in the same vertical plane with a gap of less than 10 meters right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead for the double arrow cross.
अद्भुत हवाई प्रदर्शन को सफलतापूर्वक अंजाम देने हेतु हमारी अनुरक्षण टीम का अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है, जो इन 5 हेलीकॉप्टर को जमीन से हवा में उड़ान भरने से लेकर उनकी सुरक्षित वापसी तक की भारी जिम्मेदारी सुनिश्चित करते हैं। और हमारी इस टेक्निकल टीम के लीडर है विंग कमांडर प्रियांशु मुखर्जी, असिस्टेड बाय लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल वरुण। The degree of difficulty has now gone up, ladies and gentlemen, as the team prepares for the sky spectacle, the level mesh. अपनी कठिनाइयों के स्तर को और बढ़ाते हुए एक दूसरे के आमने सामने एक समान स्तर पर 1 सेकंड से भी कम समय के भीतर दोनों ओर से आते हुए विमान एक दूसरे को मानो छू कर गुजरेंगे। बिना पलकों को झपकाए अपनी नजरें सामने बनाए रखें लेवल मेश के लिए। The team performs under the ever watchful eyes of the team safety officer. Today's safety officer is Wing Commander Adarsh Thakur, assisted by the videographers. Everyone, now get ready to witness the unmatched precision of our pilots even closer to you. This is one of those times where you will hold your breath and wonder how they pull it off with such finesse. Soon both the pairs rushing head-on will cross each other's flight path, executing a coordinated pitch-up with just a hair's breadth of separation. तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें, क्योंकि उमानंदा मंदिर की ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3, और कामाख्या की ओर से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सारंग 2 और सारंग 4 लेवल क्रॉस के लिए। आप सबको यह जानकर अत्यंत आश्चर्य होगा कि ऐसे मैन्यूवर्स को अंजाम देने के लिए हमारे जांबाज पायलट केवल एक रोटर के फासले पर उड़ान भरते हैं। और अब ऐसा ही एक उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करने के लिए तैयार विपरीत दिशाओं से आते हुए सारंग 3 एवं सारंग 4 एक दूसरे को तेज गति से पार कर आपके समक्ष स्टॉल टर्न करते हुए अपने सिग्नेचर मैन्यूवर का प्रदर्शन करेंगे। लुक स्ट्रेट अहेड फॉर हाई स्पीड क्रॉस। अनेक धर्म, अनेक रंग, अनेक भाषाएं, और इस अनेकता में एकता ही हमारे भारत की पहचान है। And that trickles down to our team as well. Coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages, we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, we present a beautiful pulsating heart to the lovely people of Assam. With love, Sarangs. And there comes our Cupid number 5 from your left, piercing straight through the beautiful Sarang heart. देवियों एवं सज्जनों, इन रंग बिरंगे हेलीकॉप्टर को देख भ्रमित न हो। आवश्यकता अनुसार इन सुंदर विमानों की भूमिका भी बदल जाती है। भारतीय वायुसेना के उच्चतम वायु योद्धाओं की हमारी इस टीम ने समय की मांग अनुसार सभी राहत कार्यों में भी अपनी उड़ान कर्तव्यों समान ही अपनी उत्कृष्टता का परिचय दिया है। Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and Egypt. और अब अपनी नजरें बनाए रखें ठीक सामने अश्वक्लांत मंदिर के ऊपर, क्योंकि सारंग आ रहे हैं अपने आज के आखिरी मैन्यूवर के लिए। Now, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes to the front as the team is rolling in for the grand finale of today's spectacular display. the Sarang split on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. This finale is dedicated to the grand success of Operation Sindoor, a glorious chapter written by the Indian Armed Forces with courage, precision, and pride. As the formation splits, the leader will pull up to present a salute to the nation. Painting the skies in trail of red as a tribute to the valor and sacrifice of our warriors in Operation Sindoor. We shall listen out for the leader's call. So ladies and gentlemen, this was Sarang helicopter display team of one of its kind in the world. Guwahati, let your cheers echo across the city. Give it up one last time for the Sarang team. Fearless, flawless and definitely unforgettable. Apanaloge bhal paise ne, amar pise por bhal lagi. Sarang team Instagram aru Twitter road available ase. Apanaloge amar ID sarang_IAF goi amak follow korbo pare. With this, on behalf of entire team, this is Sarang commentator, Flight Lieutenant Pallavi Sangwan signing off. Dhanyavad.
And now, approaching from the right of the grandstand, the unmistakable silhouette of the Dornier 228, leading a crisp wing formation. The captain is Wing Commander Jagjit Singh Madhu.
ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰৰ ওপৰেৰে সোঁফালেৰে আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে ডৰ্নিয়াৰ 228 ই হৈছে ভাৰতৰ বিশ্বাসযোগ্য চুটি দূৰত্বৰ পৰিবহণ বিমান।
From the Umanand now, the newest addition to our transport fleet, the C-295 aircraft in an elegant H-class formation. Leading the formation is Wing Commander Vikas.
আমাৰ পৰিবহণৰ নতুন সংযোজন C9295 এচেলন ফৰ্মেশ্যনত।
Approaching now from the right of the grandstand, the mighty C-130J Super Hercules and the very versatile AN-32 in the famous small boy formation. At the controls of Super Hercules is Group Captain Manish Vyas. The AN-32 on the left is being flown by Group Captain K.V. Prakash. On the right, Squadron Leader Pathania.
এতিয়া আপোনাৰ সোঁফালৰ পৰা চাপি আহিছে শক্তিশালী C-130J Super Hercules আৰু বহুমুখী AN-32 বিখ্যাত বিমান দুখন।
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now have Painting the Skies of Guwahati, the major success story of the Indian aerospace industry, the light combat aircraft Tejas. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Karthikeya Singh with the call sign DECO. So brace yourself for the first maneuver, the hesitation roll. Let's see how many of those rolls can you count. There it goes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And a bonus snap roll. Watch as the aircraft pitches up into the lovely skies of Guwahati, performing the vertical pitch and flies out in the sun, exuding radiance. And there it spots an adversary. The aircraft now prepares to carry out a max-rate turn in front of you, spotting an adversary and turning like a Kaziranga rhino. Watch how the skies resonate as power meets precision. Since its inception in 2016, Tejas has been the center of attraction in display arenas and the center of discussion in military op rooms. The pilot is now positioning for the signature maneuver, the Red-Eye Turn. In this, the pilot and the aircraft is subjected to negative 3.5 G. Watch as Tejas bends gravity to its will. Elegance, precision and power in perfect symphony, a true demonstration of the capability of this aircraft. Look straight ahead as the pilot positions for an aerial salute to the guests. Decor will now perform the vertical Charlie. And here the aircraft pulls off, showing off its Delta platform, grace in motion. Continue looking straight ahead, the aircraft will come for a very tight offensive turn, like turning tight on a racetrack in the sky. Watch as it turns effortlessly in a radius of just a few hundred meters. A maneuver so stunning it's hard to believe a fighter could move with such grace. Yet Tejas performs it with effortless ease. The pilot will now position for the next maneuver, the slow speed march. Watch how the aircraft effortlessly glides past you at a staggering speed of just 200 kilometers per hour. Time itself slows as the Tejas floats, calm yet commanding like a beam of light in motion. Watch as it climbs off, showing off its reserve of thrust. The pilot will now position himself for a half roll for the last maneuver of the display. Look to the right as the aircraft will carry out multiple rolls and invert to bid farewell to the lovely audience, illustrating the Indian Air Force's motto, "Touch the Sky with Glory."